Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again with another great, amazing tech video. The video of today is all about the gaming backpack, which is a 17-inch. As some of you guys know, last time we reviewed the Legion gaming backpack, which it was 15-inch, but today we're gonna see something a little bit more different, which is a 17-inch, has more portion and it's bigger and it's good. Now this kind of backpack, I understand 17-inch is not for everyone. Not everybody wants a bigger bag. Some of the people would like something which is so portable and easy to carry around. That's why the Legion 15 comes in handy, but the Legion 17 comes more powerful with holding more stuff and comes more in handy compared to the Legion 15. Enough of me talking, let's get started. Get started is the first zip. You can see this kind of zip here. We're gonna just open this kind of zip and see what's inside this zip. So as you can see guys, that's a lot of partition, right? You can see there we're having the phone partition, which you can store here, pen here, and another partition which you can store even your power bank somewhere here. And not only that, if you rotate it at somewhere here, you can see there's another kind of partition which I kept my rulers here, which it's really convenient. And you get another partition which is somewhere here smaller, which you can store another kind of stuff there which you want to. And you're left with another spacing which you can give like your notebooks or your books and many kind of stuff inside here throughout this kind of Legion 17. So another kind of stuff which we're gonna just jump in right now is the bigger zip. So it has like 3 zips. You go to an extra second layer zip. Now here you get just surprised. You can see here what's popping. You can see throughout here you're having a bigger kind of portion which you can store a lot of stuff here, especially like I love storing my power supply, my chargers, my cable, and many more kind of stuff. We're having the headphone section which you can hold your headphones throughout here. What I mean by having headphone portion, you see here I have a demonstration with a headphone. Now I'm gonna open up here and store my headphones here and just snap it here, and it's really staying in handy. Just check it out. It's really cool, right? That's dope. It's really staying really elegant, minimalistic. Not only that, we're having another kind of portion somewhere here. Now as you can see here, you can store your mouse. Here you can store your controller if you want to, like a gaming controller. You can just store it here. Here on this portion you're left with, you can store even your laptop, 13-inch, or you can even store many kind of stuff which you want to, which they're like flattened, and you can just keep them here, which is really dope. Now you're left with another spacing goes down. It has a lot of spacing. You can see here you're left with another spacing. You can store something bigger in here, but not that much because you're gonna distract the headphones. And another kind of stuff down here, as you can see down here underneath, there's something like this. This you can hold another kind of stuff which you want to, which is really cool. So this is the second layer of the portion, which gives you a lot of stuff throughout this kind of Legion 17 bag, and it's really cool. Now talking about another kind of portion, we're gonna just jump into the last portion which we have, but it's not the last one. It's not the last one. So as you can see what's in here, it's a really kind of nice cushion made throughout, giving you grip or smoothness throughout your laptop to just enjoy the smoothness inside here. And not only that, on this other side you can store like your iPad and stuff like that, which is like goes up to 10-inch, 11-inch can stay here, which I've tested it. It stays, but don't take it more like 12-inch. It will just, you know, it won't fit. It will come in handy throughout this kind of second phase of the backpack. And yeah, that's what's up. So this kind of last phase, the third one, can help you out throughout storing your machine and your iPad, which is really dope. I like that. I really like about this bike. Now not only that, as you can see how much the straps they're really cool. I like the way they're organized, and you can even lock yourself throughout this the straps, and you can even still adjust the strap to give it more breath throughout your chest, which is really cool. And it's even elastic. So this is an elastic material which is adjustable, which you can use it throughout your occasion, throughout traveling, throughout adventure, you name it. And another kind of stuff, a really good and amazing grip throughout your spinal cord at the back of your bone, which can enhance throughout your back, which is really cool. Not only that, we're having the last kind of zip, which this is my go-to zip. To be honest, this is my go-to zip. You can see here let me just adjust this kind of lock, and you can see here we're having this kind of bad boy zip. You can just open it and store some stuff like coins, money, your wallet, you name it, your pen, anything, but something which is not that much distracting throughout you, because if the bag has a lot of stuff in here, man, you're gonna just burn out throughout that. But it's really coming in handy throughout convenience, through how much the portion they are. This is the Legion 17. Now the last kind of portion, as you can see, it has a lot of portion, to be honest. You can see the last portion, the last but not least, this is the last portion. What is it? It's a place whereby you can hold your bottle. You can see here, you can just keep your bottle here. You can keep your stuffs in here, like a drinks, a beverage. You can just store it here and enjoy a great nest. Wow, this bag is really cool because it has a lot of spacing throughout it, and it's really dope. So you can see, guys, this is how it looks at the front, and you get like a tag here named Legion, which it's a gaming bag, which is really convenient. Okay guys, that's what's up about this kind of Legion backpack, which is a 17-inch, which is really good because what it holds through all this kind of backpack, it's really incredible, to be honest. It's really kind of awesome because the portion which it has, it's capable for showcasing you whatever you have and storing it here, and it's really enhanced. I find it like it's not only for gaming, because if I say like it's just for gaming, it's not enough. It's for traveling, it's for going with it somewhere, and it's for adventure. You can enjoy it throughout this kind of bag, and it's really dope. So this bad boy, it's dope. It's a top-notch bag from Legion, and if you're living in Arusha, you know the place where to be, you know the place where you can get it. It's at Gadgetronics. You're looking for a bag which is a 17-inch, and it's a gaming bag, tough one, dope one. You're living in Tanzania and you want to just get a great and amazing bag. Let me tell you something, you really need a good bag, to be honest. You really need an awesome bag to store your stuff, especially like you have a lot of laptops, a lot of gadgets, you need to store them here. This bag is the one you need. And that's what's up about this video today. Let me know in the comments down below, what's your bag? Is it 17-inch? Is it 15-inch? What would you like throughout that kind of lineup throughout the bags? Let me know in the comments down below, and that's what's up. And don't forget to check out Gadgetronics social media accounts, because they got a lot of things packed throughout electronics, and you just don't want to miss out any kind of that. So enough of me talking, let me just catch you guys on the next one, and kudos guys, and peace.